Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi with me, aka Mimi. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I am coming to you guys with this look. Oh yes, honey, yes. Okay, I'm coming to you guys with the bow, the classic red lips for the holiday. I know that for the holidays, everybody likes to wear either their red lipstick or their burgundy lipstick. And a red lips is always in style, you know. For the holidays, go red. Wear your red lipstick, okay? So, if you haven't already, please check out my last two videos that I uploaded. Check that out first or check it out after this video. But yes, I'll be showing you guys how I did this look. I had so much fun creating it. It was really fun. You know, I came with my little top. I'm looking very like summerish, but this look is really for the holidays, you know. So if you don't have anything for the holidays yet, you know, you could try this one. You could try this look, you know. It's pretty popping if I say so myself. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. But thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for yet, but I want it to be like something classic for the holidays, so I'm thinking maybe like a red lipstick. I'm not sure. I don't really do too much red lipstick unless it's like for a video, so let's see how it goes. So I already applied my foundation. I'm using my Nars. I'll be taking out my Master Conceal, and this is from Maybelline. Looks like this. I don't really wear this foundation, this concealer too often. So let's see how it applies. Let it sit for a little bit so that way it could give me more of that full coverage. So I've been thinking about vlogging for the weekend. So I was just telling my husband like, oh, we should do something, you know, for the weekend so that way we could put it in our little Vlogmas and whatnot. As you guys already know, my favorite black opal to contour. Depending on how your face is shaped, maybe you might apply higher or lower. But since I have a pretty round face and I don't even need to contour because I already have high cheekbones, so that's just me being extra. But depending on how your face is shaped, you will know how to put the line if you want it more up. I see more people that don't have cheekbones, they go like this little curve. But me, as you can see, I already have too much cheekbones, okay? always like to go back with my brush just to make sure that everything is like really nice and blended, because I don't want no lines nowhere. I mean, I mainly do this when I'm like going out or really trying to be cute, you know? But when I'm going to work, I mean, I still do my makeup, but it's not like anything crazy. For work, I'm more on the regular natural side. I mean, when you first start your job, you're looking all cute, but then after a while, it's like you get comfortable and you really don't care no more. But yeah, for work, I'm more on foundation and a powder type. No lashes, just mascara. But you know, this is a holiday makeup look, so I'm trying to look cute. So yes, this is how the foundation and concealer and my contour looks after I've done it. So mainly, like I said, I've been using my brush. These are the Real Technique. I don't know if they have any numbers. No, they don't. These are the Real Technique. And then I like to go in with my beauty blender, and well, this is Real Technique as well. And I just like to, you know, make sure everything is nicely well and blended. And I'm feeling the vibe now, so I kind of know what eyeshadow look I want to go for. But definitely I'm going to be doing a red lip today, but I already have an idea how I want my eyes to look. So let's just set this makeup. I don't know if you guys have realized, but I've really been enjoying my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. I've really been loving that stuff. So before you apply your powder, you want to make sure that any lines that have created, you just want to blend it out again. So your powder won't crease. But now for the eyes, I want to go with something like this color right here on the bronzy side. You know, nice and orangey. And this is from my Prism Anastasia palette. So I already put concealer on my eyelids. So we could go ahead and start. We could go ahead and start with Eden. I'm gonna just be taking my brush and applying that directly above my crease. I always like to start off with something that is around my, you know, that fits well with my skin tone. So anything with a nice coral or orange undertone is gonna go perfect as a transition color. Well, for me. For other people it might be different, but I just like how these colors look as a transition. Everything blends so nicely. And now for the crease, I'm going to be taking Saharan and just applying that directly on the crease. And I'm using my Morphe 330 brush, and it has like this nice little point to it that I like. I'm gonna be taking this parallel and putting it on the outer V, on my outer corner. I might go into my other palettes and take a darker brown. Let's see first. And now, of course, I always take my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take this dark brown and apply it right on top of where I apply the parallel, just to make it a little bit deeper and darker.